Alright, first thing you need to do is download Modio. It's probably going to ask you to download firmware 4.0 something for Windows. I don't know how it works for Mac. Screw you Mac users anyway. Alright, next. Start up Modio. Next, you don't have anything to do with the newsfeed. This is like Facebook. Go to open a save. USB stick. Don't worry about that right now. We'll get into that. Download saves. You need to search for it. Go to new. New should be faster to find it because it's one of the newer games. Alright, let's say all 6,004 cards. You need to download this. This was by this guy over here. I'm not going to explain his name. I don't care who he is. Download. And if you were to say it was, alright, you're good. Next, you need to also find, go to my saves. No, that's not it. Let's see here. First, now you need to find your save file. So what you need to do is, let's see, how do we find it? Go back, USB stick. This is the data that should be on the USB drive. If you don't know how to do this, please leave a comment and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. It should take a few seconds. This is the game data that you have. This is the game data the game has. If you don't see if I can get to it exactly. Yes, this is the game data the game is having. Alright? What you need to do is go to advanced on both of them. Right? Now you get your player ID, you copy it. Go to the other player ID and copy it there too. Alright? Now, I don't know if you need to copy the device ID, but I do it anyway just to make sure that nothing goes wrong. Because I did it to mine and it works fine now, so I'm not going to complain about it. Alright, basically what you just did was you turned this profile into this game data into your profile. So everything has to do with you now. Everything has to do with your gamer tag, your gamer score, everything. Alright, now it's you. This old game data basically is obsolete. You don't need it anymore. You can X out if you want. This is now your saved data. Now you save the changes. I've already done that. Now what you need to do is go to General and then save this to the new file on the USB stick. Once it says save, alright, you're good. Next up, you take out the USB drive. Alright, and plug it into the Xbox. Plug it into the Xbox. Susan wants to get in there. I don't think it wants to go in there. Alright, it's in there. Now, go to your Xbox, sign in on your profile. This should work because we've done it before. Shouldn't have that big of a problem. This is for a device VKN. I don't even know who this guy is. Some random guy. I was last signed in on another console. Ignore that. Let's see. Now, you go to Yu-Gi-Oh! MD. You don't need to copy the data. If you want to, you can delete all the data on your hard drive and everything, but just in case something goes wrong, I would rather keep it there. What you need to do is syncing your cloud saves. It's basically not touching the USB. As long as it's not touching the USB, you're good. It's syncing it to the data because it was on the last console. It wasn't on this. Alright, now select storage device. Make sure you select the memory unit. I cannot stress this enough. Select memory unit. If you do not select this, you just basically screwed yourself over. Alright, select the memory unit. Now you should go to deck edit. It should be there. It should be. If it's not, something is terribly wrong. Is this your deck? Alright then. Now, if you guys don't believe me, 6,004 cards have just been added to his thing. You are not done yet. Please don't start freaking out, alright? Now, to speed this up, make this quicker, take out the USB drive. Now, go to Options, save the game onto the hard drive. Do you want to import New Millennium Duel's data? No. Go to no, because if you do, it's going to import your last saved data onto it, and you basically just nullified whatever the heck you just did. Now, save it again, overwrite it. It's going to go straight to your memory card. If you want to put in your cloud storage data, you got to go to cloud, and you got to go to other ways to do that. But I'll just put it on the hard drive to end it. Alright? Now, basically, you're good. You have all 6,000 cards. And, yeah, that's about it. You also have a few decks, but, I mean, most of them are banned. I guess this is the guys. These are all his decks, so I don't have any problems with them. It's just, I want to make my own. So, yeah, leave a comment down below. And, yeah, the ban list changed and all that other stuff. Alright. Subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you comment if you have any questions. You know, guys know how to get Modio. It's just type in Google Modio and make sure it actually has to do with GameTuts.com. Yes, you have to register. Suck it up. You're good. Alright, make sure you have an email address and a working computer, and you're also set.